Hi, I'm Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today we're going to do the Bechamel sauce. It's a very versatile sauce. It's one of the 5 French mother sauces. It's used in vegetable dishes, pork dishes, veal dishes, chicken dishes, you name it. Let's get into it. The ingredients include 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of cream, a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of white pepper to taste. First we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. Just let this slowly melt in the pan. Keep this over medium to low heat. You don't want it to burn, you don't want it to bubble, just let it slowly melt. Now we'll go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of flour. Whisk this in, make sure it's well incorporated. You're going to want to cook this over the low heat for roughly about 1 minute to get the flour taste out. Okay everybody, this is where the magic begins. We're going to add 2 cool cups of heavy cream to a hot roux mixture. Adding cool cream to a hot roux mixture, that's going to keep you from getting lumps in your sauce. Go ahead, grab a spoon, scrape the sides of the pan, scrape the bottom, get all of that roux mixture up off of the sides and bottom so that you can incorporate it well with the whisk. Now go ahead and grab the nutmeg, give it a little tap, go ahead, scrape it out, and mix it in. Give this sauce a little bit of flavor. And of course we can't forget our good friends salt and white pepper. Go ahead and introduce them to the show, whisk them in. Now make sure you watch it. You're going to want to bring it to a boil. This will happen relatively quickly. As you can see now, it's starting to get a little bit glossy. It's looking a little bit more oily. We're almost there. Okay, now it's starting to boil. You can go ahead and you can take it off the heat. And there you go. Bechamel sauce. Thanks for watching. Check the description below for the recipe. Please leave your comments below. And always, please support the channel by subscribing, and I'll see you next time.